Discover 8 game-changing ideas to revolutionize your kitchen into a modern marvel. Watch now for a dose of inspiration and transformation. Hey everyone, welcome back to HD Interiors. Today, we have something really exciting for all the home improvement enthusiasts out there. If you're thinking about giving your kitchen a makeover, you've come to the right place. We're going to show you 8 brilliant ideas to transform your kitchen into a modern masterpiece. Whether you're into sleek minimalism, love the idea of high-tech gadgets, or just want to add a splash of color, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive right in and get inspired. First up, let's talk about open shelving. If you're looking to create an airy, spacious feel in your kitchen, this is a fantastic way to do it. By replacing your upper cabinets with open shelves, you not only make the room feel larger, but you also get to showcase your stylish kitchenware. Think about displaying colorful dishes, beautiful glassware, or even some lush greenery to add a touch of life to your kitchen. It's a simple change that can make a huge impact, making your space feel both modern and welcoming. Plus, it's a great way to keep everything within easy reach when you're cooking up a storm. One of the hallmarks of a modern kitchen is a clean, uncluttered look. This means opting for sleek lines and simple forms. Imagine a kitchen with smooth, handleless cabinets, a clutter-free countertop, and a few carefully chosen decorative pieces. By removing unnecessary items and focusing on the essentials, you create a space that's not only visually appealing but also incredibly functional. Minimalism is all about quality over quantity. Choose high-quality materials and finishes, like matte black fixtures or a smooth marble countertop, to make a subtle yet powerful statement. The result? A kitchen that feels calm, organized, and effortlessly stylish. Now, let's bring your kitchen into the future with high-tech appliances. Modern kitchens aren't just about how they look, but also how they function. Imagine having a touchless faucet that turns on with a wave of your hand, perfect for those messy cooking moments. Or a smart fridge that keeps track of your groceries and suggests recipes based on what you have. Induction cooktops are another fantastic addition, offering precise temperature control and a sleek, flat surface that's easy to clean. These appliances don't just add convenience, they also give your kitchen a sleek, futuristic feel that's sure to impress. Fourth on our list is bold backsplashes. If you want to add some personality to your kitchen, this is the way to go. Think of your backsplash as a canvas where you can express your style. Whether you choose vibrant mosaic tiles, striking geometric patterns, or a bold, single-color statement, a unique backsplash can instantly transform your kitchen. It's a fantastic opportunity to play with color and texture, creating a focal point that draws the eye and adds a touch of creativity to your space. Plus, backsplashes are not just about looks, they also protect your walls from spills and splatters, making them both stylish and practical. Let's move on to natural materials. Incorporating elements like wood, stone, and marble into your kitchen design can add a warm, organic feel that's both timeless and modern. Imagine wooden cabinetry with a rich, natural grain, stone countertops that bring in a rugged, earthy texture, or a sleek marble island that adds a touch of luxury. These materials not only look stunning but also bring a sense of nature into your home. They're durable and age beautifully, making them a smart investment for your kitchen. The mix of natural textures can make your kitchen feel more inviting and grounded, creating a perfect balance between elegance and comfort. Next, let's shine a light on integrated lighting. Proper lighting is essential in any kitchen, not just for functionality but also for setting the mood. Under-cabinet lighting is perfect for illuminating your countertops, making it easier to prep food and see what you're doing. Recessed lighting in the ceiling provides overall brightness without cluttering the space. And don't forget about accent lighting. LED strips can highlight features like open shelving or architectural details, adding depth and interest. By layering different types of lighting, you can create a well-lit, welcoming space that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, or just hanging out. Our seventh idea is all about contrasting colors. Using a bold color scheme can dramatically change the look and feel of your kitchen. Think of classic black and white combinations for a timeless, elegant look, or mix bright accent colors with neutral tones to make a statement. Contrast adds depth and visual interest, making each element of your kitchen stand out. Whether you choose dark cabinets with light countertops or a vibrant backsplash against neutral walls, playing with contrasting colors can create a dynamic and modern atmosphere that truly reflects your personal style. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about multifunctional islands. A well-designed kitchen island can be the heart of your space, offering extra prep areas, storage, and even seating. Imagine having an island with a built-in sink and stovetop, plenty of drawers and cabinets for storage, and a spacious countertop where family and friends can gather. This kind of versatility not only makes your kitchen more functional, but also turns it into a social hub. Whether you're preparing meals, hosting a dinner party, or helping the kids with homework, a multifunctional island can handle it all, making it an essential feature of any modern kitchen. HD Interiors fans. There are 8 fantastic ideas to make your kitchen more modern. From open shelving that breathes life into your space, to smart appliances that bring convenience and efficiency, each of these ideas can transform your kitchen into a stylish, functional haven. Whether you decide to embrace minimalist design, make a statement with a bold backsplash, or create a versatile multifunctional island, there's something here for every taste and budget. Which of these ideas are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and inspiration. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.